Hello guys. Nigerian court begins hearing of objection filed by IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu to challenge his jurisdiction. Wetin happen today will shock you. Welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. Thank you for stopping by. If you're just joining us for the first time, please kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Nigerians, the hearing of the objection filed by the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Nnamdi Kanu, challenging the jurisdiction of the Federal High Court, Abuja, to try him, will be held today, Tuesday, in Abuja. Kanu's special counsel, Barrister Aloy Ejimako, who made this known on Tuesday morning, said that the hearing, which was scheduled to hold at 10 a.m., will be held at 12 p.m. at the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja. He said, as we previously scheduled, the hearing of Nnamdi Kanu's case will be held today, 24th September at 10th, instead of 12 noon, as was done before. Venue in the same Federal High Court, Abuja, as usual. Nnamdi Kanu will be in attendance. This hearing is crucial. Sahara reporters had reported that Kanu, in a notice of preliminary objection to jurisdiction of the court filed through his legal team, led by Ejimako, told the court that it has no jurisdiction to try him, stressing that charges filed against him before the court by the Nigerian government are unconstitutional. Kanu filed the notice of preliminary objection on the strength of sections 1, 2, 3 in bracket 6, 12, 36, 38, 42, and 251 Q in bracket of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended. Section 178 of the Customs and Exercise Management Act as repealed. Section 218, 1 and 2, and 220 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015. The Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act 2013 as repealed and under the inherent jurisdiction of the court. He said that the court has no jurisdiction to try him on counts 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, and 8 on the point and the authorities to the extent that the provisions of the Terrorism Prevention and Amendment Act 2013 TPAA enabled the Nigerian government to determine questions arising in the administration of TPAA, which led to the ex parte order of prosecution of IPOB and its declaration as a terrorist group, and the gazetting of such order without giving the applicant an opportunity to make representations to authorities is void for being inconsistent with the provisions of Section 36 2 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, CFRN, or the Constitution. The preliminary objection to the court jurisdiction was square to the ruling by Justice Binta Inyako of the Federal High Court in Abuja on Monday afternoon, where she dismissed Kanu's fresh application seeking the restoration of his revoked bail and his removal from the DSS custody to a house arrest or prison custody. Sahara reporters had reported that the judge who dismissed the application for lacking in merit said that Kanu had brought the same application before the court. Despite the Supreme Court ruling in 2023 that Kanu did not jump bail, Justice Inyako said that she found as a fact that the IPOB leader jumped the bail granted to him earlier and that he escaped out of Nigeria. Justice Inyako further ruled that the sureties who stood for Kanu in the earlier bill had applied to be discharged and has been discharged on the ground that they could not locate Kanu and did not know his whereabouts. The judge held that the only option left for Kanu was to go to the Court of Appeal and should proceed to the appellate court to exercise his right of appeal. Okay, to exercise his right of appeal. Justice Enyeka disagreed with Kanu's lead counsel that the Supreme Court held that the earlier bill granted him out not to have been revoked, saying that she had pursued the Supreme Court judgment copy. He has pursued the Supreme Court judgment copy and did not see the claim by Kanu's lawyer. Reacting to the judge's ruling, Kanu blasted the Nigerian government for violating the provisions of Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act by seeking to try him, saying that Nigerian court seeking to try him is an act of terrorism. Meanwhile, Nnamdi Kanu have said that he will be the last Igbo man that will be persecuted by Nigerian courts, or can I say Nigerian government. So guys, let's hear from you. What's your take on this? Kindly drop your comments below the comment section. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video, let it go viral. Let Nigerians understand what is happening today in the Nigerian political landscape. Thank you and bye.